Welcome to lesson 122. Number 1. A zoo had a leatherback turtle of 805 kilograms in an exhibit with a baby elephant that weighed 521 kilograms. How much more did the turtle weigh than the baby elephant? So the leatherback turtle weighed 805 kilograms and the baby elephant was 521 kilograms. So how much more is finding the difference, which is subtraction. So I'm going to take the 805, I'm going to subtract 521 from that. It will look like that. 2. Circle the picture that shows 7 as 42 divided by 6. My total in a division equation is 42. It always starts the equation. Shows 7, so 42 divided by 6 equals 7. I could find the inverse operation. 7 times 6 would be 42. Okay, so I'm going to look at my pictures. I have this picture, and I'm going to count how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in each group, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This should equal 42. And I could do 42, just flip this around, equals 7. 42 times 6 equals 7. Now I'm going to check this one because this one seems like this is the answer. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in each group. Let's see how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 times 6, I need to have a total of 42. I know 6 times 6 is not 42. It's 36. So it is not this picture. This one is the correct one. 3. Draw along the dotted lines to divide the rectangle. Shade in one part. What fraction is shaded? So look at my rectangle. I draw along the dotted line. I shade in one part. It looks like I have one part shaded in, and I have a total of 2 parts. This would be half. Round 832 to the nearest hundred. I'm looking at my hundreds here. It's 8. And the nearest hundred would be either 800 or 900. So 832, I'm going to look at my tens place, and it is less than 5. So I'm going to round down. It's going to be 800. 5. Any number multiplied by blank has an answer of 0, while any number multiplied by 0 always has an answer of 0. Like 6 times 0 would equal 0, 5 times 0 would equal 0, and so on. 6. Draw a hexagon. So I'm going to draw a hexagon in my box. 7. Find the lengths of J and K on the rectangle to the right. So J would have the same length across here as 6 centimeters, because I can see that this length matches this length. So K, this length should match this one, so it'd be 4 centimeters would be K. 8. A quadrilateral has blank sides. I think we remember this from class. There's 4 sides. 9. Compare the shaded parts of the 2 rectangles. Then choose the correct sign. You have less than, equal to, or greater than. So I'm going to look over here. 2/4, 5/8. It looks like 5/8 has more shaded in. If I cover this, this would have made them equal, which would have been 4/8, because this would equal a half. 2/4 equals a half, but they're not equal. This one has a 1 more shaded in, so 5/8 is greater than the alligator mouth. Remember that? Eats the greater amount. 10. The answer to a division problem is called the... If I didn't know this one, I could flip back, look at my vocabulary words. What about quotient? The answer or the result or answer to a division problem. It is quotient. 11. 535 plus 426. 12. 18 plus 24 plus 10. You could either pull out the 10s and 1s, or what I like to do is group these, find the answer, add 10 to it, or I could line them up. 18 plus 24 plus 10. I could add them up this way. It's up to you. 80 times 7. The trick is to times 8 and 7 and add a 0. 14. 8 times 5 equals 15. The small dairy farm had 6 cows that each gave 7 liters of milk a day. Each day the farmer used 4 liters of milk for her family. How many liters of milk did the farmer have left to sell each day? Write two number sentence and solve for x. Well, I need to find the total amount first, and it was 6 cows and they each gave 7 liters of milk. So my equation is going to be 6 times 7, which from the previous problem equals 42. Now, the farmer, each day, this farmer used 4 liters of milk for her family. So how much did she have left to sell each day? So we have to take away from our total amount, which would be 42, take away 4. 42 is my total, and 4 is the amount that the farmer used each day for her family. So the final answer would look like this. 42, take away 4. That's it for lesson 122. Thank you for watching.